In this video, we're going to be talking about the health benefits of leeks. My name's Katrina and this is
Ronald.
Welcome to Planet Wellness. If you're watching live, please say hello in the comments below. And if you're watching on the replay, it's #replay. Now, over to you, Ronald, about the health benefits of leeks.
Yeah, so what we're talking about here is not L-E-A-K-S. We're talking about leeks, L-E-E-K-S, right? Now, this is a perfect time of the year to enjoy leeks with the cold weather, and it's also a very good opportunity to present a good nutritious practice for on a say weekly or twice weekly or 3 times weekly where you can have leeks, right? So at the end of what I'm going to explain, I'm going to give you a very good recipe that's going to give you a hell of a lot of help with all kinds of bone problems or arthritis and so on, right? But for now, let's talk about the benefits of leeks. The leeks is part of the onion family, okay? So leeks, red onions, white onions, brown onions, shallots, garlic, basically all to do with the onion family. That is a very good proponent of and container of sulfur, okay? Now sulfur is incredibly important because during the Second World War, when they ran out of antiseptics and medicine and so on, and there was some severe wounds, with quite open wounds from the war, the nurses were so amazed because somebody suggested to use garlic and leeks, slice the leek on the wound and wrap it up. And guess what? It kept the wound clean and it kept the wound healing quite rapidly. That's because of the sulfur content of the leeks and the onions and the garlic and so on, right? So that is the #1 component of leeks is sulfur. Now, in addition to that, the green color, leeks is essentially white, but at the top you'll see a lot of dark green, right? Quite medium to dark green, and that is chlorophyll. Now, chlorophyll is very, very good for your blood, and it's also very, very good for your liver, right? So once you've got leeks in your system on a regular basis, you probably will be clear of infections like flu, hay fever, viruses, and so on, right? Now, in addition to that, leek is also rich in copper and zinc, especially if you put copper and zinc minerals in your garden, in your organic garden. It will deliver into the leeks and then it will be in your food. So copper, zinc, it's got vitamin C, and so on and so on, right? So it's a very rich depository of essential nutrients to do with infection, right? Any irritation in the body, any coughing, will be healed by taking leeks. Now, there comes the recipe. This is one of my favorite recipes. Now, if you've got, so this is very, very good for the following. If you've got osteoarthritis, if you've got osteoporosis, if you've got arthritis, if you've got joint pain, if you've got back pain, knee pain, I'm going to give you a recipe now that's going to really help you to heal it. #1, you take 1 leek, right, 1 whole good sized leek, and you slice it into 1 inch or 1/2 inch pieces. You wash it first, of course. You just cut up into 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces. Put it on the bottom of your pan. Then you put 1 brown onion, 1 red onion, and 1 white onion. And you put 2 shallots with that as well. Now, you then put about 2 or 3 carrots, 1 parsnip, 1 turnip, 1 swede, and you can add 2 morsels of the oxtail of an ox, right? That's why it's called oxtail. Now they cut it to pieces about 2 inches wide. You get the 2 big ones like that, and you put that last, right? So you put all vegetables in first, and you put that last on the top, and you put probably about 3 cups of water, okay, and simmer it for about 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours. The oxtail will lubricate with collagen, will deliver collagen in the system, will also deliver like a very good type of jelly, which is excellent for osteoarthritis, arthritis, and so on, right? So I'll recap that. Brown onion, red onion, leeks, white onion, shallots, garlic, and put garlic as well. Then you put the parsnips, swede, and you can put swede, and what was the other one we mentioned?
You can put any other vegetables.
Any other vegetables.
Carrots.
Carrots, that's the other one. Carrots you should eat about 6 for 2 people. Right? That dish I've just pronounced is enough for 2 people. Right? Now if you have that about, say, 3 times a week, there's a very good chance you'll sail right through winter without colds, without flu, and without pain. Right, but it's that particular one I've just described with the oxtail is particularly good for the collagen to do with healing the inflammation in your body. So we look forward to you getting your feedback.
Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this video. Now, while you're here watching it, if you've not subscribed to our channel or click like, please do so on our YouTube channel.
Yes.
And also, we have got this ebook called Best Ways to Treat Diabetes. It's about 10 to 12 pages long. You can just read it and also share it with your friends. Anyone who has diabetes or who is concerned about diabetes or wants to avoid having diabetes, that is an ebook to download as well. I'll share the link in the comments below as well. And we've also got 2 diabetes courses when you'll actually get the link when you request for the ebook. So look out for that as well, and we wish you a healthy and happy end of year and new year. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Have a good day.